That's a nice R34. That's a nice McLaren. That is a really nice McLaren. Wow. It's a nice size too, man. Look at that R34, man, that is cool. All the McLarens with us too. That's a sick ass McLaren. That's a killer car. That's a nice R34. Sky 340, not bad. Not bad. Should I get one of them? Oh, the crew, man, not bad. Not bad. I just love the skyline lights, man. They're wild. But anyway, what I was trying to do, I was trying to get some footage on the way there. But what happened is probably wasn't working. I wasn't turning on or some shit. I don't know why. Fuck, I have to check it out. I think my battery could be fucked. Like, it's just been sitting on charge for like 4 days, like probably overcharging it. I don't know, I have to have a suss at it. But anyway, basically, hey yo guys, well, welcome back. A little bit of a weird video today. Basically, what we're walking through. Last night, there was a car meet and I was waiting all week, like, to get this good footage. Car meet comes, you know, GoPro's working, this, that, that. I go to leave, and my GoPro pretty much like goes flat. Well, it doesn't really go flat because it worked the rest of the night, but during that, like when I was leaving, it just wouldn't turn on. I don't know why. I think I might have overcharged the batteries, something, but yeah, definitely fucked me over that day. A couple of videos with my GoPro because I ended up swapping the battery out and it started working. But yeah, I got some good videos and that, this and that. So a lot of bikes there last night. Apparently it was a Kami. Oh, it was the cruise, which they're going from Brickworks to Marion. So I didn't end up going because I got there a little bit late. And yeah, there was just cops pretty much everywhere, and I didn't really want to get booked, especially with my exhaust on this bike. It's, yeah, maybe a bit too loud. But nah, while there we saw a couple of people get booked. You know, it wasn't probably the best option of, you know, doing a burnout out of Kami, because it's all in a Facebook group chat. If you're not too sure what it is, it's the Horizon Society. So search it up on Facebook, and nice tough Jaguar, nice independent road. But yeah. Whoa, bro. This guy just cut straight in front of this car. Call me, mate, no, call me. So sauce this Jaguar. Yeah, it's old man with a young one. That's how it works in Adelaide, Australia. Fucking. Oh well, that's what it is. But anyway, like I was saying, pretty fucked up. Oh, I got some footage recording going back, like home. What an idiot. But not going there. It was a nice McLaren that was there. I got that on record and a R34, which is nice. It's not bad. I'll put those videos up now.
Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling. Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never.
Anyway guys, we're back. Fuck, I'm trying to adjust my music volume. There we are. Easy shift at work, you know. Same fucking shit, selling shoes, that's it. The Henley. What's up, mate? It's a nice Harley. Yeah, yeah guys, That's it, guys. Hope you like, subscribe. That's it. Take care, guys.